Are you tired of searching through magazines, online images, and Pinterest boards to find the perfect pictures and quotes for your vision board? What if I told you there's a single tool that has everything you need to turn your dreams into reality, all in one place? Creating a vision board isn't just a fun DIY project. It's a powerful way to visualize your goals, manifest your dreams, and stay motivated every single day. Whether you want to focus on health, career success, relationships, or personal growth, a vision board can serve as your daily reminder to keep moving toward your dreams. But let's face it, finding the right pictures and quotes can be time-consuming and exhausting. That's where this product comes in. Introducing the Lamare Vision Board Book, a game-changer for anyone serious about creating a vision board that truly inspires. This incredible book is packed with 800-plus high-quality images and quotes, all thoughtfully curated to cover every area of your life. No more wasting hours hunting for the perfect visuals. This book has everything you need, beautifully organized and ready to use. From empowering affirmations to stunning visuals, this book is perfect for your vision board, journaling, or even as daily inspiration. It's like having a mini library of positivity and creativity at your fingertips. So, if you're ready to take your goal setting to the next level, the Lamare Vision Board Book is the perfect tool to help you stay focused and inspired. Grab your copy today and start creating the life you've always dreamed of.